All right, first highlight is going to be the lightweight, super versatile Roctection hitch mounted mud flaps on the XR adjustable ball mount. Absolutely phenomenal system here, guys. As you can see, reversible trim plates. You're actually going to get four mud flaps, 24 inches long, 12 inches wide, so you can kind of customize it to whatever suits you and your vehicle. Now again, we talked about it being lightweight. Entire system will come out with the removal of your hitch pin there. And just like that, when you're not towing, she comes right off. As I mentioned, super customizable with the Roctection mud flaps. You're gonna have here, we've got it on the nice black finish side of that trim plate, but you can actually use a nice stainless side too that is a stainless plate. 3/8 of an inch thick rubber, so they're gonna last through for years and years and years of use. They're also really good at standing against the heat from your exhaust. Really phenomenal design.